to our channel, Living Life with a Twist and fellow twisters. I am going to show you how I do asparagus. It's a little different than most people. This is from my travels in Italy, and I saw how they do it, and I've been doing it ever since, and that was in the 70s, so it's been a while. So I'm going to show you how I do it. It's fast, it's quick, and you'll see it all in real time because it doesn't take anything to make it. So what I have in my pan is I've heated some extra virgin olive oil, and I have that heating, and I'm going to stick a knob of butter. Yeah, a knob. It's a little over. That's totally up to you. And I'm going to mix that and enriches there we go, the olive oil, and it is yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me check my fire. That's good. And now I'm going to put in my washed, and I've cut up about 1.5 inches of the bottom of the asparagus, and I'm just going to put that in there. And this is going to go fast, especially because most of these are pretty thin. Now the thicker asparagus really takes a little more time, maybe another 30 seconds, but this is how fast it goes, and it's really a wonderful side dish. Okay, so what I put in here now is garlic powder. That's a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to put in some Himalayan pink salt, just a little bit, sprinkle some in here. And it's going to be done here in about 2 minutes. All you're doing is coating the asparagus with the olive oil and the butter. And the very last thing we're going to do is put a little lemon juice in. So my ingredients are olive oil and butter. Get that heated up besides the asparagus, and that's garlic powder, and at the very end I throw in a little lemon juice, and oh my, this is so wonderful. And I've got a plate right here ready to go. And as you know, I've never really liked steamed asparagus. I think it's very wimpy. This gives you a little crunch. You're really in charge of how long you cook it, because you see how green it turns so quickly, and it just doesn't take long at all. I also want to give you this tip, that once you take it out and put it in your serving bowl, that it also continues to cook a little bit. So all of this is now coated with the butter. You don't have to put butter. I do because I like a little richness, but if you're vegan, don't put butter. But it just takes just a moment to get these all in there, and especially because they're just so small. And we're about there. It's that fast, that quick, and sauteed asparagus. And it smells so wonderful. Okay, now that it's all about ready to go, we're about ready to put it in the, I'll get that out of there, into the serving bowl. The last thing we do, as I said, is we put in the lemon juice, and I have about a teaspoon and a half of lemon juice, and I just kind of stir that up, and it gives it such a bright flavor, and we're ready to plate. So if you really enjoy our channel, watching things we do a little differently than most people, please subscribe and like and comment. Give me the way you like your asparagus, and for others to see, and comment. We love to hear from you. And that is it. That's the Keto Tuscan asparagus. And I hope you like it and enjoy it and feed this to your family. It's a quick side dish. And we'll see you on the next video.